Pros of dishwasher. Compact and space-saving design, ideal for small kitchens, the Danby DDW621WDB fits comfortably under cabinets, offering dishwasher convenience without occupying significant space. Easy installation with quick connect feature. Connects easily to most kitchen faucets, simplifying installation and eliminating the need for professional help. Energy and water efficient. Energy Star compliance ensures lower electricity usage. Its modest water consumption of 3.1 gallons per wash makes it both eco-friendly and economical. Quiet operation for peaceful kitchens. Operates at a low 52 dB, ensuring a quiet kitchen environment, even during active use. Variety of wash cycles. 6 wash cycles, heavy, normal, light, glass, speed, rinse, cater to diverse dishwashing needs. Flexible washing with delay start feature. The delay start option allows scheduling of dishwashing according to convenience, ensuring timely cleaning of dishes. Durable and sleek stainless steel finish. Stainless steel construction provides durability and a modern aesthetic to kitchen interiors. Affordable price point. Priced at $312, it offers effective dishwashing at a competitive cost. Cons of dishwasher. Not smart home compatible, lacks integration with smart home systems, offering no remote operation or connectivity with home assistants. No child lock safety feature. The absence of a child lock poses a risk for homes with small children. No self-cleaning filter. Requires periodic manual cleaning, unlike self-cleaning filters that are more convenient.